So let's go from drawing to database action. I'll go into my blog database, and there I said I want to use two collections. Let's start with the users collection. There, let's say I insert many users. We got multiple offers on our blog. Now, insert many takes an array of documents where each document is one element we insert into this collection. A user here can have a name, Max Schwarzmuller, can have an age, 29, and let's say an email address, max@test.com, which is not my real address. I also have a second offer, Manuel Lawrence, age 30, and also email here, manu@test.com. If I hit enter, these two elements get inserted, and obviously we can now pretty print them. This is the data in our users collection. Now let's go to our posts collection. So posts, there I want to insert one post, let's say. Obviously we could insert multiple posts. Now one post can have a title, my first post. A post can also have some text which holds the actual content. This is my first post, I hope you'll like it. And this could be very long text. As you learned, the text type is able to store very long text. We might also have some tags here, and that could be an array of strings, like new, tech, whatever your tags are. And now we come to the relations. Now, my relation here is that this post is written by a user. Let's name it creator. And this could be a list if you have multiple offers in your application. Let's say in this application, and that is totally up to you, of course, we only have one offer per post. So my creator or offer, however you want to name it, here should be one of my users. And let's say this was written by Manuel. So I'll copy that object ID. We could match it by any key, of course, but we should ensure it's unique, and the object ID is ensured to be unique. And I'll therefore set this as a value for creator. Now we also might have comments here. And let's say we got a couple of comments there, and each comment then is another document. So here I got a list of documents where I have some text. I like this post. And as another key here, I don't just have the text, but also the offer of this comment. And that again would be the ID of a user. So let's grab Max here maybe. Grab that object ID here and insert this as the offer. So here again, I'm also using not an embedded user for the same reason why I'm not using it on a post. I'm not using it on a comment either. Instead here I also use a reference. Let's hit enter. This worked. And let's have a look at our post. This is how it looks like. And this post has the fields I sketched out. And most importantly, we have a reference relation to the person who created the post, but we got an embedded document, or even multiple documents for the comments, where each comment in turn also has a reference relation to the offer. This is how our blog could look like in code, so in the database, and I also explained why I would structure it like this. And this example, together with the previous lectures, hopefully gets you into the right mental model on how to think about this, and hopefully helps you with your next projects to structure your data and your relations in a way that makes sense for your application, to your size of data, the amounts of data, the frequency with which you change it, and your overall structure or relation that is imposed onto you by your application.